Hello guys and welcome back. I hope you are all doing great. I hope you're all having an amazing day. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how you could have gotten yourself a 1 to 19 risk to reward ratio just by simply following the market structure and by using our day trading strategy here at the Fifth Dimensional Trading Academy. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we are looking at the market structure as always. I've already drawn out some supply zones, and as you can clearly see, price is currently bearish, right? It's making lower highs and lower lows, sorry. So as you can see, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay? So if we just come back a moment, if we look here, you can see we were bullish, right? We were breaking structure to the upside. Okay? Once we then broke this high here, and we shifted and broke the low here, right? Because we put in the high, low, high, low, higher high, and then this here was not a lower low, but this was a lower high, and then we put in a lower low. Price respected this supply zone, and then after putting in this lower low and having a change of character, it then pulled back and respected this supply zone, right? Let me remove all of those. So you can clearly see once we had that happen, we shifted bearish. We respected this supply zone and pushed down, having a break of structure, pulled back, respected this supply zone, continued down and had another break of structure. So at this moment in time, once we gotten this break of structure here, we was looking to try and get a trade out of this supply zone, okay? However, that didn't happen. It doesn't always come back to your supply demand zones, of course, but a good 8 times out of 10 it does. In this scenario, it never came back, and then it continued down. So once it continued down and broke this low here, we then had a new leg to look for sales from. This high is our swing high. This is our ranging high. This then is our swing low. And since price is bearish, respecting supply zones, we are expecting price to pull back into a supply zone, being this, as this is our only supply zone within this price leg. We're expecting price to pull back to a supply zone within this price leg and then continue back bearish, breaking this low. Okay? So, we have identified our breaks to the downside. We've identified our current order flow and current structure being bearish. We've identified our current price leg that we are ranging in, which is this here. We have identified our supply zone that we're going to be looking for a lower time frame confirmation out of. Now we just need to wait and see if we can identify a confirmation within this zone. As always, we're going to mark up liquidity as well. We have sell side liquidity to downside there, and just slight trend line there, being more sell side liquidity. Okay. Price taps in, so now we can look for a lower time frame confirmation. We also have more liquidity with this low here, right? As mentioned in the previous video, every single low and high is major liquidity. This is a low because people are buying. For some reason, people are buying from here and pushing it up, which means they have stop losses around this area, which means this low is liquidity. So we've entered the zone. We're going to drop down to the 1 minute time frame, and we are going to look for a confirmation entry. We're going to look for a change of character. So we need to map out the market structure. We have a high, a low, high, low, high, low, and a high. Break of structure to the upside. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. Break to the upside. And then we get a lower low. We have now had our change of character. And we have shifted back bearish, realigning with the 15-minute bearish order flow. So we are now valid to look for a sell. Now, we have imbalance here, right? And we have our unmitigated supply right here. So that's going to be where we sell from. We're going to place our entry there at the low of the box. With our stop loss just above, we'll go over 2 pip stop loss just to cover the high, give our trade some room to breathe. And where we're targeting this 15-minute swing low. Right down here, which will give us a 1 to 19.15 risk to reward ratio, 19% profit from a single trade. Let's just place the order. Right, might as well run this back testing system. We get tagged in, and price starts to move. At this point, because our low that tagged us in got broken, we'd be running risk free. We would have moved our stop loss to break even, and we'd be running risk free. Let's do that right now. So let's click this button here, move stop loss to break even, and we'd be running risk free. As you can see, price came very close to taking us out at break even, and then dropped back down. Not yet breaking this, so we're not yet in the clear. It could still come up and take us out break even, but once this low gets broken, I'd be very, very, very confident that it wouldn't come back up. Alright. And there we go. We broke that. So now I know 9 times out of 10 it's not going to come up. 90%. I'm 90% safe that it's not going to come up. Alright. And take us out break even. So right now I'll just leave the trade running. It's running risk free. We're not going to lose anything if it does come up and stop us out. So I'll just let it do its thing. Take out all this south side liquidity. Take out this low, which is also liquidity too, and continue the bearish order flow, and here I take profit for a 19R. So let's see what happens. Let's play this, speed it up. Come on. There we go, that's quicker. As you can see, it pulled back again, and then continued bearish. And then it hits our take profit for a 19 risk to reward ratio. As always, if you want to learn more, click the link in the bio, click the link in the channel description, and go to our website where you can purchase our full course and join the Discord. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you are new, and stick around for more educational Forex content. We have a lot more of these videos on the way. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.